Hey everyone, this is Ali again. I'm gonna show you how to put your engine belt on there. First of everything, we need make a loop, like a loop size of the fan. So just put that on the fan, that loop, and drop it behind, and then kind of, just drop your belt behind. So you got your belt right there, the fan pulley. Okay, what you need to do, put that belt on top of the white thread, of course, white thread, and then put it, let me show you because I want you guys to see this, and then put it to the bottom. It's a tight spot, so forgive me, y'all. And then it's like go up, but try to make a loop, another loop when you're going up, and don't go like this. Make a loop and put this loop, okay, and of course you're going up, put this loop behind this pulley, so kind of bring it from the back. Okay, there's air compressor built there, but that's okay. Kind of bring it from the back, that loop. I should catch it out. Okay, put that like that. You see how the thread is gonna be on the top, and then go down. There's a pulley right there. There's a pulley here, so you put it from the bottom, but make sure that your belt, this is, all on the thread before you do that.
You can't see.
So take this, just make sure. Still I have this here empty, so fix your thread, make sure your belt all on your thread before you go to the last part. And everyone has a different way, but this is my easy way, but I'm kind of want to show you. So now we got that there, pull that there, pull that. So pull that, we have to bring it here. So get the half wrench, half inch, put it here on the pulley. What is it? Right there. There's a spot for it, of course. Put it there, and then go like this, and just, okay, let's have to the other way. Hold on. Yeah. So like push your pulley, and it will help you to put the belt back. So, and that's how you do. And loosen that slowly. Make sure all your belt in a place. Make sure. Yeah. And that's it, guys. The fan ain't moving. That's right, just inspect. Oh no, wait. I got mine out. Fourth way, the fender. Hold on. You lose it again. So make sure it's all in the thread before you decide to call it. So, all right. Now, see? That's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Everyone have a good one.